Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here. Just call me Disaster Rachel today. I've just had one of those days. I had come up here to planning to do a video and it just didn't happen today. But I did manage to finally get these kits into my shop, and I've accidentally, my husband must have changed the setting on the printer, and I printed them borderless. So this is the blues kit. Sorry, I've got a scarf on, so you might be able to see that. It's a bit late in the afternoon. So this is the blues kit. So of this pattern, I think I only did two shades, but in this pattern I did lots of shades because it's like my favorite. I love that pattern so much. So there's all these different shades of blue, really fun. You can see how many of that one, really fun to use. And there are, oh gosh, I think there's 13 pages of these. Anyway, it's written in the description there. That one. I just love it. There, so that's that one. And then this one I've done two shades. And then that one I did two shades. So that's the blue background kit. And then this is my collage kit. So I had forgotten, I've accidentally printed on other, I had put other pages in the printer and I forgot, but it doesn't matter. So I had also cut up some pages, but they were so pretty that I decided to scan them as well. So you've got instant backgrounds. There's 4 of those pages, I believe. And then these again, printed borderless, accidentally printed on there. But that doesn't matter because I'm going to put that in a journal anyway. So very pretty papers. And these are actual collages that I did with some of my own papers, and then some public domain things, and also things that I have myself, my own ephemera. So yeah, so these are the collage pages, printed borderless by accident. And they're A4 size, so European, Australian copy paper size. And then here's the other, there's 4 journal card pages, and they're different pages, I believe. Oh no, yes, different pages to these ones. I had cut them up before I decided to scan them. So that's the kits. And then I do want to do a quick flip for fit through here of my design team project. Now the other journal is already on its way to its home, and then this is the Midori bound one that I did. And if anyone on my list that I have, there's a few ladies, if you would like it, it'll be first in, first served. And this is the journal here. So I'll quickly do a flip through just so you can see it completed, because we did work on it for quite a long time. So I feel like I just slipped in, that's one of those hinge journal cards. I put in some real ephemera, so that's an old letter. These are little, some of my antique letters that I have printed on a rice paper. Don't know what year that one was, I can't remember. And then I put in a lovely envelope there. So lots of things that we made together, well, nearly all the things that we made together. There's those lovely title pages. Tag in that pocket. Beautiful 1700s paper. And then that folds right out. And then here we have this flip out pocket. I don't know if I did that on camera or not. And then there's a tag in there. Paper from the 1700s. And then we did, I think you saw that already, then that just flips out. And of course these pages, it can be removed because it's Midori style. Tag in there, that flips out. It's very chunky, there's a lot in it. That one's just flip out. Lovely flip out pocket there. They've all got tags in them. Put a tag in there, that flips out, and I may just put that little, I didn't decorate it, I just put that little tag in there, journal card I should say. And then in here I've got a lovely old postcard, 2 tags and some old ephemera in there. 1870 that one, or 1870s, I can't remember exactly what date. That's a flip out, and that's original tea-dyed paper, 2 tags in here. And then another journal card in there. Just go through it quickly. Here's a flip that I made with one of my antique letters, and I put a journal card in there. Oops, I'll just get the door. Okay, sorry, it was my husband. So that just flips out. And there's another flip out. There's a little pocket there. So I'll wait to hear from if any of the ladies on the list. Please don't feel obliged. I will take photographs of it tomorrow and put it in my shop. Maybe I'll take them today just in case. That's another 1870s piece there. It's just a little piece from the ones that were all ruined. I made this lovely tag to go in here. That flips out. And then there's a tag up there. I won't pull everything out. And then here, I haven't put the pocket in yet, but I am going to put in or that one, or I've got some other ones of this type downstairs. And I'm going to stitch it in with my machine and just create a pocket to hold this. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.